With most industries drifting towards video consumption, for broadcasting their content, be it to an internal audience for knowledge acquisition, or an external target audience for marketing and lead capture, the need to equip these organizations with the ability to take back reviews, assess their viewers' understanding of product conception, and gain their valuable feedback about the content they just watched has become monumental. VIDIZMO allows you to create and set up quizzes for your audience, right after an informatory video to help gauge their understanding of the content, and use it to improve video making strategies. Quizzes help get an idea about what users have learned or understand regarding your content. In this video, we will be looking at creating and publishing a quiz in VIDIZMO. To create a new quiz, click on the Add Media icon at the bottom right corner and click on Create Quiz. You can give your quiz a title and a passing criteria to establish the score viewers need to pass. There are 3 different types of questions you can add to a quiz. Single choice questions consist of multiple answers with one answer being correct, while multiple choice questions consist of multiple answers with one or more answers being correct to challenge the users more. You can manually enter each question and their responses, choose the correct answers and assign a score obtained for answering the question correctly. Descriptive questions work a little differently. You can create a question with no correct or definite answer. Users can type out their answers to the question. These questions help get insights and feedback from the users and don't affect the score. There is no limit to the number of questions and responses you can create in a quiz. Furthermore, each question is configurable. You can make it mandatory for progression and arrange the display. You can also divide questions and topics by creating multiple pages. The page settings lets you give each page a title, along with a description of the topic or questions. You can also configure the order of the questions to remain in order or shuffle with each attempt to deter responses from memory. Quiz settings allow you to begin the quiz with an introduction, show page titles, allow users to revisit previous pages, view the total progress, and set time limits for the entire quiz or each page. You can preview your quiz and click Next to begin uploading. Basic settings lets you assign a category and tags, provide a description, and an author to the quiz. You can choose to save the quiz as a draft instead of publishing it. You can also upload a thumbnail for your quiz. Publish settings lets you authorize viewers to share the quiz on social media, embed it on another web page, and give comments. Access settings lets you decide who's allowed to access your quiz and where it's accessible, set a password, and the time from when until when your quiz will be available. And sharing lets you share the quiz with specific users for a given time. Once you're done, you can save and upload the quiz. You can also view the assessment report for the quiz to get a detailed insight into users' combined performance as well as into how well the quiz was designed based on structure and difficulty. Well, that's all for this video. Check out some of our other guides to learn more about VIDIZMO. Stay tuned until next time.